Hello everyone. Hi. Oh my goodness, it's been such a long time. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi, if you're new, my name is Alexis Danielle and I am the founder and CEO of Christian Girl Next Door Ministries, where I help you lovely ladies to define and beautify your walk with Christ. So today's video, I am back, officially back on YouTube, officially back, and I'm like staying because your girl has had a crazy couple of months. I feel like I came back and then I disappeared, but today's video is going to be a day in the life of a ministry student.
Go for me till let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
Your girl got accepted into her college and that's where I've been doing nothing but work. I'm going to school for pastoral leadership and I decided to bring you guys along into my typical day of being a college student going to school for ministry. So I'm super excited. This program is about 2 to 3 years, and then I have my online class and we're coming back here so I can do my online class, and then from there we can chat. Hey guys, so I am back from the bookstore and I wanted to show you guys some books from my first class. And my first class that I'm taking for my degree is Ministry and Missions, which I absolutely love that class. I have 2 books for that class. I bought a new Bible because the one that I have that I use for like my everyday life and devotions is just falling apart and it's like scribbled. Okay guys, so this is my current Bible, very much loved. Literally, she is loved. The spine is horrible, like she's falling apart. She's very much loved, like pages are falling out, everything. So having a Bible that's like this, very loved, very much, I knew that I needed to get a new Bible. And we do have a Bible software that we use for school, but there's just something about being able to highlight a passage in a physical Bible. Okay, so I got this super cute Bible. It is from Crossway. It's the Holy Bible. It's ESV. I love it because it's small enough. And then you can see that I have little tabs already in it. And it's a journaling Bible, which I absolutely love just because I can jot down notes here, highlight stuff. So for example, one of our lectures we were in Romans, right? And we were talking about how everyone essentially knows God because we have a general revelation, chapter 1 verse 18. And so that says our general revelation of God. Here on the side where it says number 1, general revelation, and then we move on to all people reject God. So that was just from our, not recommended for school, but I solemnly only bought the Acts, a scripture journal. It gives you your scripture, like the whole story of Acts, and then you have a blank piece of paper here and you can jot stuff down. So we're learning about the church in Acts. The bulk of the book, this is introducing world missions, which I love this book so much. Another fun fact that I learned is, so we have different types of missions. We have missions with an S, we have mission with no S, and then we have Mission Dei. Mission Dei. So the mission of God is basically spreading the word, and God's mission is for all his children to know him and to spread the gospel, right? But with Mission Dei, that's pretty much the central theme. And then we have the church side by side working with God to fulfill that mission. So that's what Mission Dei is. Okay, so then the next book that we are talking about in my Ministry and Missions class is The Spirit Empowered Church.
Method is facing new challenges. Over the last 10 years, missionaries' monthly budgets have increased from 5,000
sticking out.
Hello my lovely girlies, welcome. Today is a few weeks after you guys saw the last clip, and it's finals. Sorry guys, I've been super busy with school, and I decided to bring you guys along the last couple of days of finals. I'm actually in the middle of finishing up a 5-page paper for my ministry class, so that's what we're working on right now. I'm kind of like struggling, so I have to get this 5-page paper done by tonight, and it's just a lot. And then I have a quiz to take tonight, so we have to get on the ball with this. Got a Coke, and then I had Starbucks, so we're in full like finals mode. So yeah, your girl is struggling right now to write this paper out, but we're gonna get it done by the grace of God. So yeah. Hi guys, so it is update time. A girl had a meltdown because I'm so ready to be done with this paper, but I need to focus. And like the best thing that I do is the whole time that I'm writing this paper, I'm praying, Lord help me, Lord speak to me as I'm writing this paper. And I just had to worship it out because tears are gonna be falling soon. But on a happier note, I'm actually writing my paper on forgiven felons for my ministry class. Such a good show. If you like girls incarcerated, Forgiven Felons is like the Christian version of this, and it's so good, so good. Totally would recommend. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Like, this is my everyday, like, for the last, since school started. Like, I don't really get dressed. Like, this is me all the time, in a hoodie with my hood up and like a blanket wrapped around because we keep it 60 degrees in here. And hello, good morning everyone. So it is the next day. It is currently 9 o'clock. Kind of slept in today. So officially done with my ministry and missions class, turned in the last assignment, and super excited, like beyond. And now I just have my college algebra class to finish, and we are done for the semester. My goodness, I'm so happy. But we have a lot of college algebra work to get done in the next couple of days. Currently in line for Starbucks because I need a little pick-me-up. I'm tired, didn't get the greatest sleep last night. And then we are off to Target because Domino needs some dog food. So that is the game plan for right now. I will keep you guys updated. Of dark caramel sauce and 2 pumps of caramel syrup.
Absolutely. What else can I get to?
And that's it.
Okay, it's gonna be $5.79.
Thank you. Okay guys, so the lady got my Target stuff, but going back to our conversation was that God really just opened the store for me to go ahead and transfer into school, and it was just so smooth. Really me telling God, like explaining my situation, even though I don't have to. He knew exactly what was going on, and I said, Lord, I can no longer move in the direction that you want me to move. I'm stuck in this situation when we're talking about school, and I kept thinking about the university that I wanted to go to. I've always wanted to go to this university, and I just said, God, this is me moving in faith, believing that you will show up. And I applied. This was the only university that I applied to, and I got in. I got my acceptance letter within like a couple of days, and monumental moment in my life. I know I haven't really updated you guys on anything related to the engagement or anything, just because everything lately has been like such a whirlwind of things, like left and right, in my life and Kyle's life. Once when I feel like we're a little bit more settled, then it'll be more like engagement stuff. But between me randomly getting accepted into my university, whatever I already had planned for had to take a back seat. And I know that Morgan Tracy J, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. She talks about being in the flow of things, and I truly believe in being in the flow of things. If I'm exactly where God needs me to be, it's just gonna flow. And I cannot dedicate at that moment, the last couple of months, my full undivided attention to my YouTube and to my ministry, because God had other plans. And just knowing that we're literally at the home stretch is so exciting. And I can't believe that I finished my first semester of being a ministry major. Like, how crazy is that? And I don't know if I mentioned this, but in the last couple of vlogs, when I was talking about my 22 goals, we were in the middle of moving. We are in a limbo right now. We're getting ready for things to be set in stone. And I can't really give like a solid update without things being set in stone. So as of right now, this is all I can give you guys.